Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread latte. Start by gathering ripe bananas, strong espresso or coffee, milk, brown sugar, cinnamon, vanilla, and a blender or frother. Mash or blend the banana with sugar and spice, then mix with coffee and warmed milk. Taste and adjust sweetness or spice as needed. Serve in a pre-warmed mug and top with cinnamon or crumbs for a cozy finish. Gather your ingredients and prep while the coffee brews so everything is warm and ready. Peel and mash the banana or blend until silky smooth to avoid chunks. Measure milk and spices, and decide if you want it sweeter with brown sugar or honey. Froth the milk or heat gently on the stove for a velvety finish. Having everything staged makes the recipe quick and relaxing. Blend the banana with a little milk and vanilla until perfectly smooth, then stir that into your hot espresso with brown sugar and cinnamon. Heat or froth the remaining milk and pour it over the coffee mixture to build creaminess and lift. Taste, tweak sweetness or spice, and finish with a dusting of cinnamon or crumbled banana bread on top. Enjoy immediately for the best texture and warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.